Which country has the highest Muslim population? Starting our list at number 10 is Sudan, which has a population of 39 million Muslims. Now at number 9 is Algeria, boasting 41 million Muslims. Moving to number 8 is Turkey, where 74 million Muslims reside. Turkey's unique blend of East and West is reflected in its Islamic heritage. Next at number 7 is Iran, and this has 82 million Muslims. Iran's rich Islamic culture is evident in its exquisite Persian architecture, centuries-old traditions. Now at number 6 is Egypt, home to around 85 million Muslims. Egypt's Islamic heritage is as ancient as its pyramids. In 5th place is Nigeria. This has 111 million Muslims. Next in 4th is Bangladesh with a staggering 155 million Muslims. Now in 3rd is India with 211 million Muslims. Comment where you're from. And in 2nd place is Pakistan with